seems to have popularized among social media. Mental health can be defined as that which includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Since quarantine started, we've gotten to know much more about how technology plays such a huge part in our mental state, and how things such as reading, exercising, or listening to music can help us cope with certain feelings in our life. But can music actually be used as treatment for mental illnesses? Studies have shown that music therapy, which is using music as treatment for mental health disorders, can have benefits. Conditions such as depression, trauma from sexual abuse, and schizophrenia have showed improvements from using music therapy. This is because music can be used as a medium to process emotions, but can also be utilized as a regulating or calming agent for anxiety. There are different aspects of music that are involved in treatment. There's the lyrics aspect of it, which serves as an easier way to talk about certain topics and express emotions in a less threatening approach for the patient. Then there's playing an instrument, which can encourage emotional expression, socialization, and exploration of various therapeutic themes. There's also the fact that music can be utilized to regulate mood because its rhythmic and repetitive aspects engage the neocortex of our brain, which calms us and reduces impulsivity. And lastly, there's songwriting, which provides opportunities for expression in a positive and rewarding way. A lot of the previously mentioned aspects can improve the patient's self-esteem, social skills, and the understanding of one's emotions and ways to properly express them to other people. The University of Harvard even supports this method of using music therapy but for a more physical type of recovery, mentioning some benefits from it like easing anxiety and discomfort during medical procedures, in which people who listen to music in the operating room reported less discomfort and used less opioid medication for their pain, or restoring lost speech in patients who suffered a traumatic head injury in their left part of their brain. And also, music helps for physical rehabilitation and improving the quality of life of people with dementia, since music therapy can help to evoke memories, reduce agitation, assist communication, and improve physical coordination. I believe that music therapy should be more talked about, because it's a very accessible way to improve someone's mental or physical state. Plus, it can be used in a variety of situations, for example, at school during classes to alleviate the stress and anxiety caused from exams, homework, or grades in general. To sum it all up, lately we've gotten to know more about mental health and new ways to take care of it, such as music. Music therapy can be used as treatment for mental disorders like depression, anxiety, trauma, and schizophrenia, since it has characteristics that help in the expression of the patient's emotion, socialization, and regulation of one's mood. Also, it can be used to alleviate stress, decrease pain, and to treat dementia. Therefore, we should talk more about music therapy, since it can be used in multiple situations and is very easy to access.